Okay, so having a quick look at negative numbers. I'm going to first start off with a really nice easy sum, 3 lots of 2, because we all know that one is 6. Now, if I now bring in a negative, so I want 3 lots of minus 2, if I start at 0 and I want 1 lot of minus 2, I'm going to be at minus 2. And if I do another lot of minus 2, so that will be 2 lots of minus 2, I'll be coming down the number line again. But that only takes me to minus 4. I wanted 3 lots of minus 2, so 1 more lot of minus 2, and that will take me down to minus 6. So that's going to be my answer. 3 lots of minus 2 is minus 6. Have a look at it. 1 lot of minus 2 is there, so 1 lot of minus 2 is minus 2, 2 lots is minus 4, 3 lots is minus 6. Okay, going to have a look this time at minus 3 lots of 2. Now, this time that would be like starting at 0, and if we read the question from right to left this time, so 2 lots of minus 3, because to say minus 3 lots of 2, it's hard to actually get a context to it, but if you remember, multiplication can be done in any order, so this is identical to 2 lots of minus 3. So 1 lot of minus 3 is going to get you to minus 3, 2 lots of minus 3, take away another 3, gets you to minus 6. So I've kept with the same numbers. If we look back to the start, I've got a positive number and a positive number, and that's given me a positive answer. I've now tried a positive number with a negative number, one of each symbol, and I've got a negative answer. I've tried another negative number with a positive number, and I've still got a negative answer. With multiplication, my final sum to have a look at will be minus 3 times minus 2. Now, as we can see, there should be 4 sums, 4 possibilities, and I've covered 3 of them. So my final answer, minus 3 lots of minus 2, to make this complete, I've got 2 positive answers, so it will have to be 6, and 2 negative answers. Now, you could also type that into your calculator a million times. Any 2 negative numbers, when they're multiplied together, will give you a positive answer. Now, we'll have a quick look at division. And I'm going to use the same number so you can really see the process taking place. So I'm going to do 6 divided by 2. Because if we look at our first question, 3 lots of 2 is 6. Therefore, 6 divided by 2, it's going to give us our inverse operation. It's going to leave us with 3. I'm now going to have a look using the second one, minus 6 divided by minus 2. So if we look at this one here, I'm doing the inverse operation. I've got minus 6 divided by minus 2, therefore my answer must be 3. I'm going to have a look at the next one. So minus 6 divided by normal 2. This time I'll be on to this question. So looking at our inverse operation, minus 6 divided by 2 is going to give me minus 3. Change the pen. Minus 3. Now, if you think about this one, it's a little bit easy to get your head around also, because this is like being in debt, £6, and you're sharing it out between 2 people. There will still be a £3 debt, so it's minus 3. And the final one to look at then is 6 divided by minus 2. And if we look at our sum that it relates to, we've got this one there. So if we've got 6 divided by minus 2, it's going to give us minus 3. You can look for patterns. Let's just have a quick look at them. A positive number divided by a positive number does give us a positive answer. A negative number divided by a negative number, that does give us a positive answer. So we've got the signs are the same in both positive and negative, and that gives us a positive answer. If I've got 1 negative and 1 positive, it's giving me a negative answer, and this is for division, so a negative number divided by a positive is a negative answer. And then the final one, a positive answer divided by a negative, is giving us a negative. but this is specifically for division.